Russia?
Probably some
I don't
puppy.
know, I can't tell.
Alright, hey, are we all ready? Watching for the smoke?
I think he's a puppy.
Does that go?
Yep.
I assume it was go.
Oh, come on!
What the fuck? Okay, can we start
Eat a
again?
dick.
Starting all over.
How did we dip? We fucked it up.
Ankle.
They were on my Jeep, you shouldn't have hit me.
You hit me.
Hey, I'll just catch up with the next turn.
We might need a new starting line.
How about right under the railway here, just east of F?
Can't see anything, there's too much smoke.
Hostile machine gunner west of your position.
We gonna go there?
Alright,
I'm
ready?
just following Eco.
Un, dos, tres, go!
You got the anti-air
Oh,
guns.
what? That did not go well.
Oh shoot,
Haggard shooting you all.
Russian Jeep is blocked by a blue turtle shell.
Who's shooting?
I think he popped up in the air.
Will he evade the blue turtle shell?
Just think of me as the chain chomp.
Oh, I accidentally jumped out of my car.
I think we need some Rainbow Road music here.
My sound's just collapsed.
Well, it is Golmud.
There we go.
I'm so behind.
I wonder if they had to fix it soon.
It's Dice.
Oh wait, look who's in the lead.
Not me.
The blue turtle shell.
Well, Blue Turtle Shell is always in the lead.
I'm so far behind, I'm cheating and going cross country.
No blue turtle shell.
I have a passenger with a stinger.
Oh, come on!
And blue turtle shell. Your Jeep survived. Gigahertz, get the laser designated out.
I don't have it.
How's it going?
Oh my god, he's fucking shooting me again.
Oh, it's from like a tank or something.
I think it's from the AA here. Yeah, it's the base AA.
Is that
Now
you?
these fucking physics are messed up.
The base AA.
Beast
Yeah,
Man,
I'm
you
not
have your
shooting
shooting
any-
to the left.
I'm not shooting any helicopters right now or anything.
That's shooting at gigahertz.
That's because he got spotted, so it's shooting at him.
That was possible.
South of your location, there appears to be an enemy.
That was not
That wasn't me. I promise you, I did not
They
fucking
say it
fire
can't
a shot.
shoot ground vehicles, can it?
I'm nowhere near it, I'm still getting shot.
Oh, the ground vehicles. Yeah, that probably popped you one.
It's not me, because I am behind you, and I'm not shooting because I've got laser designated out.
I just was lobbing rocket pods basically at everybody driving by.
是的，我看到了敌军
So
车
you
辆。
had the bad luck of getting hit.
Someone please make a mod that adds the horn that plays Dixie.
How does it feel being a Russian Jeep suddenly being locked on?
敌军车辆。
Hey, whoa,
Snaking.
we've got a ticket problem here. The game's gonna end.
Turbo boost.
Oh, how'd that happen?
Because the Russians have almost everything capped the entire time.
True. Someone's driving backwards. No! Stop that.
You're going the wrong way.
A ghost pops up and says, no!
Serpentine?
Shooting at me.
capturing F for the Chinese. Cantonese.
发现敌军车
The
辆。
Canucks.
Yeah.
Objective Foxtrot is neutralized. Listen up. Objective Foxtrot has been taken.
Someone's Jeep is porting out sparks.
Yeah, mine was on fire.
No, I'm getting repaired, that's why.
Oh.
We should condense into two-man teams.
I'm in the lead now.
Do the teams matter?
I'm just about to
Rocket
finish
truck
my
on the
second
road.
We have
One
just
guy to
taken
swap
control
between
of
shooting
objective
and
Foxtrot.
It's toast, Mike.
3 laps.
You're beefing.
Alright, I'm just finishing lap 2.
I have absolutely no idea. I'm just driving.
Nice Mario Kart.
Objective Alpha is neutralized.
We put you back up, right?
I'll make fun of this if I lose.
No.
have control of Objective Alpha.
Not lose.
Well, hello, Bill.
Alright, I'm convinced the 30mm is the best cannon for this AA. What's the best secondary, Chrono?
What the fuck is the missile truck doing?
I think he uses
Zunies.
Zunies.
Be advised, we have lost Objective Foxtrot.
Well, aren't Zuni's the best for whenever you're gonna take on guys?
Yeah, you should be good enough with the cannons though to be able to take down anything without passive or active radar anyway.
But I mean,
This
if you
laser
wanna...
doesn't even tell you you're being locked in a Jeep.
I'm being hit
It
by
gives
something.
you the little indicator.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
I
if
was
you wanna
killed by
take
the
on
puppy.
FA, or don't you want to eat burger right here? This is...
Well, this
Nah.
puppy's now fighting for the points, so...
Oh, I'm just about to finish
Hello.
lap 3.
Whoa,
Wait,
hello.
who's a puppy? Oh, Red Loco, maybe?
Just
Yeah,
finish
like
lap
Red
3.
just shot me.
It's kind of hilarious.
He's been trying to kill me for the last few minutes, so I've been ignoring him. What plane is he at right now?
C, or he was on C.
Is he at D right now?
Nitro
Is
boost.
there a reason why we're stopped?
Looks like he's at Foxtrot.
I think he must be, yeah, I think he must be at F.
What team is he on? Oh, Rev, what the fuck?
Oh, that was you?
Yeah,
The guy in the Q5 is shooting.
I didn't kill
whatever
you,
that
right?
is, the Russian tank.
killed my chopper.
Sorry.
Gonna start racing.
I said this is him at F, right? And we're like,
Here,
yeah.
take this truck. It's almost as good.
Listen up, we've just lost
Alright, he's on
Objective
A
Alpha.
or B, one of the two. Probably A. Yeah, he's gonna be on A.
Oh, I almost got it.
He probably thinks he's doing really well too.
Yeah, I've got a corner in this building right here.
I like the giant holes in the track.
Not a bug, it's a feature.
Hey, I had to make it interesting somehow.
Hey, remember the Battle Racer mod?
Did anyone ever play the CS mod that had like shopping carts and vehicles added in?
I wish you could put Zunies on little birds.
The tank.
Oh,
No,
I've
he's over
eyes
here
on a
today.
hostile tank. Just north of your
Alright.
position.
No, the tank is racing.
oh, who's in the attack jet?
Hello.
Yeah, I don't know, he nailed me earlier.
This is like the only time I get to practice flying, and I suck at flying.
To be fair, I crashed into a tree.
That is true.
I dropped out of the race because I crashed into nothing.
It is a nice feature. What is this tank doing?
Tank is racing.
I'm just being a dick and shooting at
Tank is a bit
helicopters.
slow for racing.
More points for the points god.
Sector Bravo has been lost.
That little bird is very rude.
I just want to be your friend. By crashing into you.
Jesus Christ.
Hello.
Hello. I wonder if Riddler who speaks English has a Brazilian gang tag, I think.
Slam.
Gang tag.
Oh.
I'm an obstacle.
Fuck.
I'm on fire, oh god.
I'm an obstacle. Those slings I put down earlier are banana peels.
Three Jeeps just ran over the same person.
Wow, I'm surprised. Oh god. That initial slam didn't kill me, that was crazy.
Did I just road kill a puppy?
There goes the Jeep. I was gonna try to shoot a rocket through the chopper.
It went poorly. Hello.
Dead.
I feel like the race must have gone past 2 laps by now.
Yeah, I've done like 5.
You get my shot.
This dude in
Not
the,
me, I'm a transport chopper, I can't shoot shit.
Yeah,
this
I
dude
just
in the
respawned.
car I'm following. No, it was actually a guy in a Jeep.
That's okay.
Oh, it was a Republican.
Shows up a challenge.
What's he doing?
I'm ramming him in the mobile AA just for shits and giggles.
Where are you at?
I am under the bridge. Somebody has a lock on me. I'm shooting at him.
You're a troll on the bridge.
There may be debris in the highway.
I think it's more of a certainty that there's debris in the highway at this point.
Somebody got him. Too bad friendly fire and all, and I could have some fun with the kid.
We thought about turning it on before you joined Mumble.
Wait, it's not on? Oh no.
Ow.
Why was I shooting at all those friendly cars then?
Who's in the transport?
Me?
Who's me?
Fiverr?
And that matters to me how?
I don't know.
You asked.
It doesn't.
No, you didn't.
There's a big hole.
Enjoy those big holes, man.
I do. Oh, I'm gonna die.
How are you gonna die?
Or maybe not.
Just puppy capture, right?
Yes.
No, that's me. I'm just trying to extend this a little.
是的，我发现了敌军坦克。
Seeing as how we got nothing but dude.
Why didn't you bail out?
Why would I?
Then keep this objective
I'm stuck in the middle of nowhere.
John Face, no.
I was suaving.
Sorry, I didn't know.
I don't care.
I didn't know, man.
You kind of want to eke out one of the choppers.
Get the attack chopper that GG Haggard's in.
Objective Bravo.
1F. He's flying low, you can knock him over.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah, if you want to.
Because I'm not GG Haggard, but I'm an attack chopper flying low at F, and you should not shoot at me.
Objective
Oh,
Bravo is now
alright.
under our
I kind
control.
of blew you up.
About dead.
Just out
Yeah.
of your attention. There's an enemy
No,
helicopter.
he's on Canada. That is
Oh
GG
wow,
Haggard.
someone's shooting from the train. It's red logo. Huh.
Oh, really? Let's go take him out.
Well, he's on the train. You can't destroy the train, right?
Well, you can shoot the
No,
person
but
on
you
the
can shoot
train.
him off the train.
Oh, okay.
On and ride it.
Find him anyway. Oh no, he's on my team.
Is that whistle tips?
Rear gun.
Let's fuck this train over.
Okay.
Yeah, we can set the train. And see what happens when we park
Where's the
the
position?
chopper.
There's a hostile machine gunner.
I
you
tried to park it on the train, but it didn't work.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
I am tired of these motherfucking trains on the motherfucking planes.
Oh god, oh god.
Yeah, we can have my chopper.
There's just too many of us
The
there.
chopper just gets pushed aside.
Ah, somebody just hit from my banana peels.
Red logo spawned in my attack chopper.
It's going
The train's
backwards.
going back.
Well then, you know what must happen to you, right?
I do not.
Brain has so many
I've
friends.
eyes an enemy helicopter. Where's the field position?
Why is there a map?
Stay low.
I don't know.
Just I'm not killing him.
Who's in the MAA?
The
that
train
any
can
of us?
push tanks, right?
Hey!
Oh god.
My man!
How did Atomic Thumbs kill me exactly?
The button. I pushed the button. It was tempting.
Okay, it's time for tank versus train, everyone.
How's the race going? Are we almost done?
I think someone may have won at this point.
Yeah, we're
pretty
gonna
sure
recreate
somebody
Goldeneye. You guys want to do the redneck water park?
What is that?
Wave Race 64?
Yeah, that's where you
Just like the
have
other
jet skis with a
helicopter.
gunner on the back with a shotgun.
Yes.
Wow, the JD was kind of garbage.
Okay, I need someone else to cap the train so I can get on the other side of it with my tank.
Good shot.
What? How was I killed? Oh, did I get admin killed?
Oh!
It just told me. Wait, what?
Why am I KIA? And nuke.
Did I just nuke everybody without any permissions?
Good job.
You magically
Okay, thanks for capping the...
magically nuked everybody.
Sorry, I shot your chopper. I forgot you were turning down.
Alright, race is over.
Pretty sure Beastman won.
Heads or tails?
Woo! Redneck
Actually,
one.
Russian wins.
So, which
Get
avenue
rammed,
did
idiot.
you race on?
Any of the ones that have the attack boat, because you can just spawn jet skis off of it.
Does everybody have naval strike?
Paracel Storm has
You would have to.
2 attack boats on each team, and then also has jet skis. And then there's a third one that spawns.
It's the waves
like
that are the issue.
Each attack boat has a jet ski.
Something like Lost Islands.
Wait, also the storm on
Pick a
Paracel
map.
Storm, is that ticket based?
Paracel.
Yeah, Paracels gets jacked up though. What about Lost Islands has boats, right?
I assume it must.
Yeah.
Yes, I think.
Yeah, I think each side gets 2 murder boats.
What's the one
and
with
jet
the
skis.
sub bay in the middle?
Wavebreaker.
Hey, why don't we
you
do
know what?
Wavebreaker?
Yeah, Lost Islands doesn't have jet skis on its own though.
Why don't
But
we
I
do
think Wavebreaker
Wavebreaker
does.
then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the storm will make it a pain in the ass on this map.
I think you need to make it more fun.
Just sitting still in the water.
Alright, so what weapons can we use?
Apparently shotguns.
870? 870 only.
I don't know, Oots.
Triple shotguns?
Wait,
I don't think.
No, just
gunshot or
870 and...
slugs?
I don't think so.
Any restrictions on ammo type, or how did my game just crash, or you just change the level?
Should be slugs, or buckshot.
Or change level.
It's still black
What's
screen.
going on, guys?
It's loading Wavebreaker for me.
So the gimmick is 870s naked or attachment?
Anything.
Looks like we've only got one jet
Frag
ski.
and Duckbill.
Duckbill. Okay, wait, what's the story with frags again?
If you put Duckbill on it, it like always never something.
So wait, we're doing 870s with Frag and Duckbill?
Only if you have them, I guess.
No, seriously, what are we, naked 870s? Is that what we're gonna do?
Or just anything on the 870 is fine.
Just any 870 thing.
I am a mothership for jet skis.
Where? Where do we meet?
Hey?
Bravo? Bravo's more open.
Alright, Bravo's fine.
Okay.
Hey, Alpha and Bravo, yeah.
Let's not cap anything.
Canada
Tickets
cap.
won't go down.
Canada Cap Bravo, US Cap Alpha.